In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can refund skins here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But say you just bought a skin or really any item from the item shop and change your mind. Maybe it just doesn't look good in game or you're just not interested anymore. There's two ways that you can refund it. Let's say that you just bought the skin, emote, whatever it might be. For example, we'll go ahead and say that we just bought the Naruto skin right here. Essentially, I'll go ahead and purchase it real quick. If you claim all and return to the screen right here within the first 24 hours, you'll be able to cancel the purchase and your V-Bucks are going to be instantly returned. As you can see, I'll go ahead and cancel this purchase right here. And as you can see, I'm going to get those V-Bucks back. This is the easiest method, but it only works within that 24-hour window, so keep that in mind. If it's been more than 24 hours, what you're going to need to do is go up to your profile icon in the top right, select this little settings here, and then hit this little like person emoji all the way over here. Go to this recent purchase tab right here and open it up. And then from here, you could select the item and use a return ticket on it. You get 3 of these every single year, and this will give you the ability to return any items. Select it, confirm it, and the entire skin bundle is going to be refunded to your V-Bucks. And you're going to be good to go, like you never purchased it on your account in the first place. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. That's the 2 ways to refund items here in Fortnite. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.